Okay, Drone Pool here. This is gonna just be a quick mail call. I'm not gonna do a full unboxing. So I got this package in the mail today. I ordered this in July. Got it today, September 12th. It was on back order, and then finally supposedly it shipped, but nothing moved. Anyhow, it's finally here. So what's in here? Well, here's a hint. So let's just open it up and see. Now I will say this. When I ordered this, there were two colors to choose from. White or black. Okay, I ordered the black. I know a couple other people who ordered the black and they didn't get theirs. Their order was canceled. I don't know what happened with their orders, but mine didn't get canceled. It just took forever to get here. So I'm hoping they sent me the black. And like I said, this isn't a full unboxing, just a quick mail call, and I'll do a full unboxing video later. Okay, Okay, it says I have a black one, and it looks like I have a black one. And I'll be honest with you, this is a lot heavier than I thought. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. The box seems to be in good shape. Oh, there is a tab here. Is there one over here? Yeah. Okay. And it is black. It is black. So, man, that feels heavier than what I was anticipating. Probably because of the battery. Alright, so there you go. Hubsan Xeno Black Edition. So like I said, this was just going to be a quick video. I'm not going to do the whole unboxing. I'll do that later. I just kind of want to show you what I got in the mail. So there you go. Hubsan Xeno. Alright, that's it. That's all she wrote. Like I said, I'll go ahead and do a full unboxing shortly. So, alright, Drone Pool signing out.